beautiful mums. How gorgeous. Let's see. They are so pretty. They even have the orange up there. They also have the money tree here for $9. These beautiful bulbs. Oh my goodness, guys. They are $6. You get 15 tulips. You get, yeah, these are tulips. Yes. And they also have these. This is so beautiful. It said it looks great in the garden and also in a vase. They even have the purple and yellow, which is really pretty. Oh yeah. All the jumbo Sherpa pumpkin pillows. Really, really nice. So they have these colors. They also have that blue, which is really pretty and different. Halloween stake lights. They are $10. The 3-piece flameless LED candle set, $10. The gel cleans are $1.99. The harvest throws, they are $5. So we have this pattern, this one, not bad. Here is the multi-purpose Dolly. I don't see the price, but yes, it is here. Small or large hand-woven layering rug for $7. The umbrellas, guys, they're $10. Alrighty, friends, so we have these beautiful candles. They're 14 ounces and they're $4.49. This one is Apple Glow, Autumn Lakeside Lodge, Pumpkin S'mores, $4.49. Not a bad deal at all. Okay, all occasion cards are 99 cents. So you guys, you know I have to read at least one. So let me see. A little something special. This is really cute. Oh, just a few words. This is on a very special day. You just write what you want to write in it. Celebrate. Hoping you enjoy every moment of today. Yeah, you can just make it your own. Cheers to us. Oh, this one is with love at your shower. Okay. Happy birthday. Little card, big thanks. Yeah, really nice. Okay. Under sink organizer, they are $10. Not a bad deal, guys. Slide out drawer, extra, 4 extra hooks and 1 hanging cup included. Ideal for multi-purpose storage used in cabinets, kitchens, bathrooms, and office. Is black the only color? I think it is. Alright, friends, the plastic storage bins are $5. So you get either one or a set of 3. And all these pretty colors. Yes, here are all the colors here. These glass spray bottles are $4. They are really nice. The 3-in-1 stick vacuum cleaner. They are $20. Okay. Hand-blown glass pumpkins. They're $15. They have different shapes and different colors. The faux pumpkins are $10. It's really pretty. We have this one and that one. The 2-quart pumpkin casserole dish. They are, can't be $5.99. I'll look for the price on these, but they have 2 different sizes. This is the 2-quart, and they also have the 0.8 quart size right next to it. Now, how cute are these stools? They are $15. The cutest. This is an entryway organizer for $10. Right here, different colors. That's really nice. I like faux leather. Okay, this is a fall charger. You get a set of 2 for $10. Love the shape. This pumpkin is pretty. Also have one that is darker. The Harvest serving platters, they are $10. So we get the leaf and the pumpkin. Oh, how pretty is that? Gorgeous. A flexible surge protector with USB ports for $20. The wall plate or charging station with USB port, $12.99. The cordless screwdriver and the case, $15. Alrighty friends, the spin mop is $25. Pretty good deal. Beverage organizers, they are $5. It is so busy, guys, but I'm gonna do my best to get as much footage as I can, but it is so busy today. Okay, the beverage organizers, they are $5. Countertop compost bin, they are $10. I see them in black and I see them in white. The reversible porch signs are $10. This is one here. And this one says Happy Autumn. The back says Witches. 36-inch cinnamon brooms, $4. The beautiful fall pillows are $10. So we have this one, and that one, and that one. Okay. This is an instant canopy for $70. Okay. Landscape turf rugs. How much are they? The 3-pack broom set. I'll try and find the price on this one. And the 2-step folding step stool, they're $20. Halloween LED ghosts, $30. Ooh, look at the rain boots. The ladies Chelsea rain boots. They're $10. These are nice. You can wear these in or out of the rain. I like these. Okay, I see them in black, cream, and I think is that pink? What color is that? I have the ladies' rain jackets for $15. The men rain jackets are $15 as well. Kids armchairs, $25. Different colors. Magnetic tech plates, $15. Ladies 2-pack soft leggings, they are $10. Silicone scrub brushes, $2.49. So we have this one, and this one, and this one. The Febreze spray is $3.97. The Meyer's Clean Day. The multi-surface cleaner is $4.49. And the hand soap is $4.49 as well. Do-it-yourself jewelry kit, $7. Color and activity set, $8. That's nice. That one. Oh yeah. $7.99. Come on. Board books, $7. You Are My Happy. Oh, let's see here. So it says, the night is near, today is done, it's time for bed. My fuzzy one. Okay. That one. Little blue truck. 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Oversized mesh back chair, $20. Green and blue. These baby closet dividers for $5. Oh yes. Nice. Baby bottle drying rack, $8. Bath essentials, $6.99. Like this faucet extender. Bathtub spout guard. That's cute. Wax warmer. They're $10. So we have that one. Okay, here's a better picture. That one. And that one. Okay. 2-pack glass pie dish, $5. And How cute are these? This waffle maker and donut maker. They're $13. Bubble waffle maker, mini donut maker, $12.99. This bread maker is $50. The cast iron Dutch oven is $30. The decorative woven baskets, they're $8. You get one large one or two smaller ones. 2 or 1. The fridge liners are $4. Not bad. You get 3 pieces total. Bagel slicer, $3.49. Oh my goodness, that is great. This beautiful serving bowl with carrier, $12.79. How fancy, guys. Ooh, I like that. 3-pack rotating lock containers, $13. Popcorn maker, $15. Stackable highball glasses, a set of 4, $10. An electric food chopper. Ooh, nice. Harvest plate, a set of 4 for $10. Oh, these are nice. Dishwasher safe and microwave safe. These fall sponges are $2. So you have the acorn, the apples, mushroom. Okay guys, there's a spray mop back there that I did not see at first. I'm not sure about the price, but if I find it, I will let you know. Men's or ladies light quilted vest for $13. I love myself a vest. Oh my goodness. Nice. The size is right there. Well, alright friends, that is it here today at Aldi. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and please share, and help me get out there in those YouTube streets. Well, thank you guys. Thank you all so much for all your purchases. Thank you for your wonderful comments. And just thank you all for being here. I appreciate you all. And until next time, you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.